everyone, it's Hannah from Stardust and I've got my lovely assistant Miss Isla with me today and we have a fun squat challenge for you. So find a space and come join us.
Bring Sally up, bring Sally down.
And hold here. Squeeze it up and down and hold. 2 more. Good, sit back in those heels, squeeze those glutes. Okay, we're going to add pulses on the next round. Teeny pulses here, squeeze. Good, and again. Up and sit back. Rise up and sink. Open your arms. Jazz arms here. Good, stay low. Up, open the arms. Rise, now we're going to turn out the legs. Same thing here. Jazz arms. Squeeze those knees out. Good, keep squeezing in the abs. Back's nice and straight. Rise up, squeeze down. Single heel beats this time. Pulse those heels, stay nice and low. Good. Squeeze, nice straight back. Good, press the hands together, keep the arms engaged. Good, adding double heels. 2 heel lifts here. Squeeze your abs. Good. Extra little balance challenge here for you. Squeeze. Good. We're nearly there. Keep going. Good, last little bit, you're nearly there. And rise, and switch. Good, well done.